HGH. The holy grail of penis enlargement. I'm going to let you in on a big secret, absolutely free, that will get you started on making your penis bigger, even if you didn't purchase the Penis Enlargement Bible. Penis enlargement is a two-step process of exercises and supplements. Well, it just so happens that one of the most effective supplements that our users have had success with isn't marketed for penis enlargement at all. I'm talking about HGH, or human growth hormone. Typically available as an oral supplement or as a spray, HGH has been proven time and time again to have a side effect of increasing the size of your penis. No joke, they sell this as an anti-aging supplement that will make you feel younger, reduce wrinkles, improve memory and increase libido, but what they don't tell you is the same biological changes that cause these improvements also have a direct effect on the size of your member. Your penis stops growing after puberty because the biological chain gets broken in your body. Well, HGH, and specifically, Gen F20+, HGH is what can kickstart that reaction and reconnect the chain. Click the link below to see the top HGH supplement I recommend now. You won't get the full effect of enlargement unless you combine HGH with penis exercises, and there is even more tips and tricks in the Penis Enlargement Bible to train you on how to get a bigger penis. But at the very least, if you download our free penis exercise guide and buy this HGH product, you will be well on your way to making your penis bigger. Remember, when you visit the Gen F20+ website, you are not going to find anything related to penis enlargement. It's not the target market for this product, but rest assured that this does and will work for you if you combine it with our recommended exercise regime. Gen F20+ is the top HGH supplement on the market, so I recommend you at least take the time to visit the product page and read up on it. Once you purchase Gen F20+, make sure you download our penis exercise guide so you can get the full effect of this supplement.